A motorcycle crash near Lewiston killed a woman and sent a man to the hospital, to a Spokane hospital on a life flight. Their motorcycle struck a parked car. Lewiston police say 25-year-old James Weiss and 24-year-old Alyssa Slusher were headed north on 14th Street when they lost control and collided with that car. They were both thrown from the motorcycle and transported to St. Joseph Regional Medical Center. Slusher later died from her injuries. Weiss was life-flighted to Spokane because of the severity of his injuries. Both riders were wearing helmets.